Hey there, professionals. Imagine this. You're buried under a mountain of emails, reports, and brainstorming sessions, wishing there was a way to cut through the noise and get things done faster. What if you could slash your email drafting time in half, generate spot-on market insights in just minutes, or automate those tedious reports without ever touching a line of code? It sounds like a dream, right?
Well, in 2025, it's not just possible, it's reality. All thanks to the power of prompt engineering.
Hi, I'm Alex the AI Guide, your tech-savvy consultant here to make AI work for you. Welcome to the very first video in our brand new series, Prompt Engineering for Professionals. If you're a business analyst juggling requirements, a marketer crafting campaigns, a project manager overseeing teams, or really any non-tech professional who's feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the AI hype out there, then this beginner's guide is tailor-made for you. Today, we're going to break it all down step by step, what prompt engineering actually is, why it's an absolute game changer for boosting your productivity in the real world, and the essential principles you need to get started right away. By the time we're done, you'll be equipped to craft your very first effective prompt and start seeing tangible results in your daily workflow. So grab a notebook or your favorite note-taking app, and let's dive right in. Trust me, this is going to change how you work with AI.
First things first, let's demystify what prompt engineering really is. At its heart, prompt engineering is the art and science of designing effective instructions, or what we call prompts, for AI language models. These are tools you might already be familiar with, like ChatGPT from OpenAI, Claude from Anthropic, or Google's Gemini. These large language models, often abbreviated as LLMs, are the brains behind so many apps and services we use every day, from virtual assistants to content generators.
Think of it this way. It's like giving detailed directions to a super intelligent but sometimes literal-minded assistant. If your instructions are vague or incomplete, you'll get scattered or off-target results. But if you craft them precisely and thoughtfully, you unlock accurate, creative, and incredibly useful outputs. The beauty of it? It's not about programming or coding at all. It's all done in natural, everyday language that anyone can learn. Now, in 2025, this skill has become even more powerful because of massive advancements in AI models. For example, models like GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 Pro can now handle enormous contexts, over 1 million words in some cases. This means you can feed them detailed scenarios, long documents, or even entire conversations, and get responses that are more nuanced and reliable than ever before. Prompt engineering has evolved from simple trial and error tricks into a structured skill that's essential for making AI not just helpful, but truly indispensable in professional settings.
Okay, so that covers the what, but now let's talk about the why. Why should you, as a busy professional without a deep tech background, invest time in learning this? The answer is straightforward. It supercharges your work in ways that directly impact your bottom line, your time, efficiency, and results. Recent studies and reports from organizations like McKinsey and Gartner highlight how well-crafted prompts can boost productivity by up to 2x or more. That means AI takes over the routine, repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the high-value, strategic stuff that really moves the needle.
For instance, if you're in business analysis, AI can help summarize stakeholder reports, brainstorm use cases, or even draft initial proposals based on your inputs, potentially saving you hours each week. Marketers might use it to generate personalized campaign ideas or analyze customer feedback at scale. Project managers could automate risk assessments or timeline optimizations. And this isn't just hype. In 2025, AI is embedded in everyday tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Copilot, and enterprise platforms from Salesforce or SAP. But here's the catch. Without solid prompt engineering, those AI outputs can end up being generic, inaccurate, full of biases, or just plain unhelpful. Mastering this skill ensures your AI interactions are safe, reliable, and perfectly aligned with your specific goals and industry needs. It's not reserved for coders or data scientists anymore. Product managers, content writers, consultants, and analysts are all leveraging it daily to gain competitive edges, like faster insights, reduced errors, and even innovative problem solving. Plus, as AI skills become a hot commodity in the job market, incorporating prompt engineering into your toolkit can lead to better opportunities and higher salaries, with roles that blend AI prompting seeing demand skyrocket. Now that we've covered the foundations of what it is and why it matters, let's get practical and explore the essentials of prompt engineering. The good news is, it all boils down to a handful of basic principles that, anyone can apply, no matter your starting point. We'll focus on the core foundations today, starting with two of the most important, specificity and context. But I'll also touch on a few others to give you a well-rounded toolkit from the get-go.
Let's start with specificity. This principle is all about being clear, detailed, and precise to eliminate any room for ambiguity. Vague prompts almost always lead to vague or irrelevant results because AI models, while smart, don't read minds. They respond based on patterns in data. So instead of a broad request like, "Tell me about AI," try something more targeted. Explain 3 key AI trends in business for 2025, in bullet points tailored for a non-tech audience. See the difference? This specificity guides the AI exactly where you want it to go, ensuring the output is focused, relevant, and immediately useful. It's like the difference between asking a colleague for some help versus help reviewing this report for grammar and key insights by end of day.
Next up is context. Providing enough background information so the AI can understand the full picture and deliver responses that fit your unique situation. This includes details like your role, the objective, any constraints, or even sample data. For example, you might add, "As a marketing manager, analyzing competitor strategies in the e-commerce space," at the beginning of your prompt. Why does this matter? It dramatically reduces what's called hallucinations, those instances where AI makes up facts or goes off on tangents. By giving context, you're essentially setting the stage, which leads to more accurate and personalized outputs, especially in professional scenarios where details make all the difference.
Of course, there are a few other beginner must-knows to round this out. Clarity is key. Always use simple, straightforward language and avoid unnecessary jargon unless it's specific to your field, in which case, define it. Role-playing is another gem. Assign the AI a persona to channel expertise, like act as an expert business consultant with 20 years of experience. Constraints help keep things concise. Set limits, such as in 100 words or less, or format your response as a table for easy reading. And finally, iteration. Don't treat the first output as final. Refine your prompts based on what comes back, starting broad and then tweaking for precision. These principles have been refined over time and are especially potent with 2025 models, which emphasize structured reasoning and longer contexts for even better reliability and creativity.
Theory is great, but nothing beats seeing it in action. So let's walk through some simple, real-world examples tailored specifically for professionals like you. These will show how combining principles like specificity and context can turn everyday tasks into AI-powered wins. First, consider crafting prompts for email summaries, something that's a daily time suck for most of us. A vague prompt might be, "Summarize this email." The output? Probably meh, generic and missing key nuances. Now, amp it up with specificity and context. As a project manager, summarize the following client email in 3 bullet points: the key request, my required action items, and any stated deadline. Use a professional tone and highlight any risks. Boom. Now you get actionable insights that are laser-focused, saving you time and helping you respond more effectively.
Another common scenario: brainstorming ideas. Vague version: give me ideas for a project. That's going to yield scattered thoughts at best. Try this instead loaded with context and specificity. As a business analyst in a remote team environment, generate 5 innovative ideas for improving collaboration in a 2025 hybrid workplace. For each idea, include pros, cons, and 1 implementation step. This not only sparks creativity, but structures it in a way that's immediately usable, like a mini report, ready for your next meeting. And 1 more to tie in role-playing. For career advice or upskilling, instead of how to learn AI, go with act as a career coach specializing in tech for non-experts. Suggest 3 practical ways to upskill in AI prompt engineering for professionals, including step-by-step actions, free resources, and estimated time commitments. These examples illustrate how thoughtful prompts can transform AI from a novelty into your personal productivity booster, handling everything from quick summaries to in-depth planning.
There you have it. The 2025 essentials of prompt engineering, unpacked and ready for you to apply. Start experimenting with these principles today, whether it's in your next email or a big project brainstorm, and watch how your workflow transforms for the better. Remember, at its core, this is all about clear, intentional communication,
to unlock the full potential of AI in your professional life. But hey, this is just the beginning of our journey. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into the top 5 techniques every professional should know, building on what we've covered here. If you're excited to level up, hit that subscribe button now. Give this video a like if it sparks some ideas, and drop a comment below. What's your very first prompt idea going to be? I'd love to hear it, and maybe even feature some in future videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.